Hi, I'm Dana with CandleScience, and I just got a new office. I am very, very excited to have a brand new space to keep making candles and soaps in, but it did not always look this good. So let me show you how we got from here to here. As you can see, when we first moved into the new office, all of my things were in boxes. And this can seem like a really overwhelming task, but it's best to dive right in. So once I found all of my making materials, I started putting them away in drawers or organizing them by piles. The biggest thing we had to work around here was space. I didn't have a ton of it, so I decided to go up. Making use of that vertical space with the pegboard has come in so handy. If you have the option to go vertical with your making space, I highly suggest it. So unsurprisingly, here at CandleScience, we make a lot of candles, but we also make a lot of soap. So I divided my pegboard into candle making and soap making, along with cleaning supplies in the middle. When planning out your space, it can be helpful to kind of use Post-its, sticky notes, little labels, things like that, while you're planning out your space, because they can be changed around. You don't have to super commit to anything yet, just to see how your space works. So this is primarily a making space, but it's also a filming space. So I just wanted to make sure that I have most of my materials close at hand. This is mostly soap, our handy dandy heat gun. So here we have some candle making materials, micas and candle dyes, a lot of wicks. Here we have some mica samples, but this drawer will likely fill up quickly. Here we have a lot of candle molds, soap molds, and some additives, ingredients like that. So because candles and soaps are our two main projects here, I did want to keep those kind of making spaces separate. So this will mostly be where I'm making soap. This will likely be where I'm making candles. Here, although it looks like a lot of kitchen appliances, are bowls, cutting boards, pots for double boilers, anything like that. I'm not going to show you what's in these drawers yet. Here I just have some extra cleaning materials. So here I'm keeping all of my candle and soap labels, kind of organized by shape and style. This is good old 464 soy wax. It is the wax I use most often. I have a case on hand all the time. I didn't bother putting it away because I use it all the time. One of my favorite things about this setup is how easy it is to clean up. And because I am not super tall, a step stool. And that's it. I hope you like the space. I'm super happy with it, but it may change as we settle in. So if you have any go-to tips for setting up a makerspace, I would love to hear them. Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you next time.